Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a signature on a Mac computer using the application preview. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a file that will allow us to create the signature on. So in this tutorial, I am using a PNG file. What we will do is we will open this up and the rest is history. So what we can do is now turn the focus to the Mac computer, go to the desktop. I have paper.png. Let's just click on this, increase the size of the preview window itself. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to create a signature using the trackpad. What we will now do is show the markup toolbar, and this will allow us to create a signature. So if I navigate towards the middle of the toolbar, click on signature, and then it gives us the option for trackpad or camera. In this tutorial, we will focus on the trackpad. Click here to begin. So now, if I were to create a signature using this trackpad, it can be done. Let's draw on the trackpad. CSV, enter, sign your name on the trackpad, click on done, and that itself is the signature. Now what I can do is go back to the signature, click on CSV, and that itself is the signature. So what we can do is delete, go back to signature, create another signature, click to begin. Let's now write computer science videos. Not the best signature, but you get the idea. So enter, done, click on computer science videos, and that itself would be the signature for, let's say, a letter or maybe a check or anything you're trying to sign for. So we can now Command S to save, quit preview, and there we go, the signature is still available within that document. So that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.